Okay, so we've discovered and we've used Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse, and we know that the hypotenuse is always the longest side of a triangle, and it's always opposite the 90 degrees. And so that's one simple way to check your work, that your two legs are shorter than your hypotenuse. Your hypotenuse always needs to be the longest side. So we start with our formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We identify which leg of the triangle we want to be what. So we're going to say that this is B, this is A, and this is C. So it means we have A squared plus B squared, which is 7, so we're going to replace that. C is 30, so we're going to substitute in 30 for C. And now we're going to do the calculations. We're going to simplify. So A squared plus 49 equals 900. So using our exponents, we've simplified and we've got them into standard numbers. Now we need to isolate for A. We want A by itself, like we did yesterday when we had C automatically by itself. We didn't have to do any rearranging. So now I want to subtract 49 from both sides. And I'm going to have A squared equals 900, subtract 49. A squared is then equal to 851. And now I need to take the square root of both sides. So I have A equals 29.1, 29.17. So therefore, side A, or leg A, is 29.17 centimeters long. And that's the only difference with solving for a leg when you're given the hypotenuse, is you've got values on both sides of your equation, so you have to balance it by moving or subtracting pieces over. We'll continue tomorrow with our note with this triangle, so if you want to try it now. Nine centimeters, and this is side A. C is 22 centimeters, and that would leave this as side B. So that's where we're going to continue this board note tomorrow, and then we'll have the rest of the period for practice.